Hi and welcome. What you're looking at is this dress I'm still working on. And this dress is supposed to be blind stitched or slip stitched the inside collars, well, straps. So we're going to do the blind stitch or the slip stitch to make this look nice. I have done sewn by hand this portion up until this point, and the blind stitch is made so that you cannot see the stitches from either side or very minimum stitches. So this has been done right here. The blind stitch has been completed so far up until this point here. This is the wrong side of the dress, the lining, and this is the outer side of the dress. So I'm going to show you how to do the blind stitch, hand blind stitch. So what you need is some thread, needle, and thread. So I chose black thread, and it's a single. I did not double my thread. It's single, quite long. First thing you do is pick up some fabric, which in this case is the lining, and you pull it through. And you have the knot on the other end, and you want to hide that. So I'm going to take my needle and just put it right in, because I went in through the inside. And place it right down in there. And this is the tail end of where I stopped the first time. So that's, of course, it's going to be clipped. Then you go through your front under that fold and pull. Take another little piece of the back fabric, pull, go into the fold, come out, and pull. And let me just clip that little piece off right now so it can get out of my way. Another piece of your lining material or whatever is in the back, and I go right on through. And pull. You can barely see that stitch. This is that knot. to the back. In between your fold. And come out. And pull. Placing it back. Long threads always get tangled. Go through your fold. Come out. And pull. Pick up back. Pull. Go through your fold. Hey! And see, they're barely visible. So for this beginning, I serged the edge, but it's a vintage pattern. Did not ask for serging. I did it, thought it would be quicker. So I was going to leave the serge edges, but it calls for hand stitching, blind stitch, or slip stitch. So I folded my serged edges and started blind stitching. So that's how the blind stitch or slip stitch is done. It's supposed to be a invisible stitch. And this is how it's looking so far. The blind stitch, normally used for hems, and you can call this a hem, it's just not at the bottom of the garment. Thanks for watching. Bye.